Hello friends, good morning. I am Dr. Vilas Bandgar, Assistant Professor, Uma Shikshan Shastra Mahavidyalay, Pandarpur. Today, welcome to the new course for Google Classroom on a soft skill. Dear friends, just thinking on little of the score course, all of the about soft skill. A buzzword to a day has attracted the attention of students, professionals, and entrepreneurs all over the world. Employability being the major concern today, every individual aims at getting converted to the jobs. Employability today is comprehensive with providing multiple skill in various situations. In a fast changing world, hence everyone aspiring for job to today's his to prove one's mettle in various situations where one requires to be armed with different skill which collectively come under the soft skill. Once may be armed with a good competency of one's subject, but one cannot complete with his peer group unless one has the potential of performance of can be ensured with the demonstration of creation objective that can help a professional communicate collaborative consensual evaluated and look into the continued world form. Time to time, the course aims to creating awareness among the stockholders of the cooperative world in which the role of the individual as team plays and also as responsible leader materialize to great extent. The course with interactive and need based on modules will address various challenges of communications well as behavioral skill faced by individuals at workplace, and the organization is bridging the gaps through the effective skill of interview group discussion various aspects in today's global life in world. Thank you.